pretty he is. Pretty he is, Daddy. He's getting clean. I'm trying to wash dishes. He was waiting on me to move so he could wash. I think he was waiting on me to move. Go ahead, finish washing. Are you done?
Slyvester, go ahead.
Took his feather and his wing and stretched it out like he's doing now. Let it run all down his wing. Go ahead. Would you finish washing so I can wash dishes, please, sir? He almost looks like he's shaking now. Look at him. Look at his feathers. Hardly stop, baby. Are you done?
He's clean.
Over my dishwater. That speaks out.
He keep right on, he's gonna fall in the dishwater.
I know. Look at his tail. His tail's sticking in it. Are you done? Are you through? He's cold. Oh! God! How much water? Oh. Look at there. Oh, it's so pretty. See, look. See, his wing was still clipped. He flew like that outside.
Slyvester. What are you doing? Slyvester.
Hush, Harley. Hush, baby. Hush.
What are you doing?
Slyvester's washing. Hey, you want to see what he's doing? He's done now, ain't he? You need this cutting board. You need to cut the fish up?
Yeah, you better leave it there.
Alright.